In the evolving world of computer peripherals, the keyboard remains a pivotal tool that can influence both productivity and gaming performance. The Keychron K2 HE positions itself as a versatile option, integrating magnetic Hall effect switches within a compact 75% layout designed for modern users. Geared towards gamers and typists alike, the K2 HE promises to elevate your typing and gaming experience. In this comprehensive review, we will explore the key features of the Keychron K2 HE, share personal experiences, and provide an honest assessment of its pros and cons. Upon receiving the package, anticipation builds. Keychron is known for its impressive packaging. The K2 HE does not disappoint. The box is sturdy and well-designed, housing the keyboard securely with protective foam. The package includes the keyboard itself, a Type A 2.4 GHz receiver, a Type A to Type USB-C cable for charging and wired usage, an extension adapter, and an extra keycap set. The first interaction is promising, setting the stage for an exciting experience. Now let us take a look at the design and the build quality. The Keychron K2 HE showcases a sleek, minimalist design characteristic of its brand. The compact 75% layout optimizes desk space while retaining all essential keys, including a function row and navigation cluster. Made with a robust aluminum frame and plastic body, this keyboard exudes premium quality and durability. The build quality is evident upon first touch, providing a solid and satisfying feel and allowing it to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Moreover, the K2 HE is available in various striking color schemes, from classic black metal to brighter wood frame options, appealing to a broad spectrum of aesthetic preferences. The keycaps are crafted from durable plastic with a slick finish, ensuring comfort and longevity. Thanks to the excellent choice of font, the keycap texts are clear and vibrant. One of the standout features of the K2 HE is its use of Gateron double-rail magnetic Hall sensor switches. This innovative technology provides a unique typing experience that differs from traditional mechanical switches. The magnetic switches offer higher durability. Additionally, the adjustable actuation points can be tailored to suit user preferences, ranging from light pressure for a quick response to firmer actuation for a more deliberate keystroke. This technological advancement primarily benefits both typists and gamers alike, delivering responsiveness and reducing fatigue over long typing sessions. Users will appreciate the tactile feedback that strikes a balance between comfort and efficiency, making it an exceptional choice for various tasks. Customization is a vital aspect of modern keyboards, and the K2 HE excels in this regard. The Keychron Launcher web app, powered by QMK firmware, allows users to remap keys, create complex macros, and adjust RGB lighting effects seamlessly. The flexibility to personalize the keyboard to individual needs ensures enhanced optimization, whether for work or gaming. In addition, the K2 HE features a diverse selection of aesthetic RGB lighting options. With over 22 effects available, users can transform their setup with vibrant color combinations or go for subtle illumination that fits their style. The K2 HE provides an excellent typing experience that caters to both work and play. The layout is intuitive and comfortable, reducing any strain during extended writing sessions. With its quiet key presses, users can type without disturbing colleagues in a shared workspace or family members at home. In gaming, the K2 HE shines with adjustable actuation points that can be finely tuned to enhance gameplay efficiency. Gamers will find it easy to adapt their settings based on the type of game, whether needing rapid keystrokes for fast-paced action or more controlled inputs for strategy-based gameplay. The 1000 Hz polling rate ensures that inputs are registered almost instantaneously, providing a competitive edge in time-sensitive situations. It's time for an ASMR sound test with the Keychron K2 HE, shall we? User comfort is paramount when considering a keyboard, and the K2 HE is engineered with this in mind. Its compact design is sleek, but does not compromise ergonomics. For additional comfort, you can purchase a palm rest from Keychron to enhance your typing experience even further. Ergonomic considerations are crucial for both professional and gaming users who may spend hours at a time typing or playing without breaks. I found the Keychron silicone palm rest incredibly comfortable and a game changer for extended typing sessions. The soft, supportive material provides just the right amount of cushioning, making it worth every penny. If you're purchasing the Keychron K2 HE, I highly recommend picking up this palm rest as well. It's a small investment that significantly enhances your overall comfort. Additionally, for those who enjoy personalizing their keyboard setup, Keychron offers a variety of keycap sets in numerous colors and styles. You can choose from a sleek, minimalist look to something more vibrant and eye-catching. There's a keycap set to match your aesthetic. These keycaps are designed to be easy to swap out, allowing you to tailor your keyboard to perfectly complement your workspace or gaming setup. This added layer of customization makes the Keychron experience even more enjoyable, letting you create a setup that truly reflects your personality and style. The K2 HE boasts impressive battery life, reducing the frequent need for charging. According to Keychron lab test results in Bluetooth mode, the 4,000 mAh battery capacity can provide approximately 110 hours of continuous use with RGB lighting off, or approximately 90 hours with the lowest backlight setting. However, results may vary based on actual usage. This extended battery performance offers flexibility, allowing users to enjoy their keyboard without the hassle of constant recharging. The ability to switch between wired and wireless modes further enhances its usability. Users can connect via USB-C for a stable wired experience, or switch to Bluetooth connectivity for convenience with laptops, tablets, or smartphones. In today's multi-device environment, the K2 HE stands out with its impressive compatibility, allowing users to switch between various gadgets effortlessly. This capability is particularly useful for those juggling multiple tasks on different devices, such as typing an email on a laptop and responding to messages on a smartphone. The pairing process is simple, making transitions smooth and efficient, a boon for productivity-focused users. Despite its many merits, the K2 HE does have a few considerations potential buyers may want to keep in mind. Weight. While the premium build quality lends durability, it also makes the keyboard heavier than other portable options, which could be a drawback for users who travel frequently. Absence of numpad. There's no numeric keypad in the 75% layout, which might frustrate users requiring a numpad for data entry or financial tasks. This can be remedied by purchasing a separate numpad, although it's worth noting for those who rely on this feature. Price consideration. The K2 HE is positioned as a premium product, priced at $130 for the standard version and $140 for the special edition without any discount. We recommend checking Keychron's Kickstarter webpage for up-to-date pricing. While it justifies its price with quality features, budget-conscious users may need to assess whether the investment aligns with their needs. Putting that aside, let's examine all the benefits. Solid construction. The metal and wood frame gives the keyboard a premium feel and ensures durability. Hall effect magnetic switches. The hot swappable magnetic switches provide a smooth and silent typing experience. Multi-device connectivity. The ability to pair with up to 3 devices and switch between them effortlessly is a major plus. Extensive customization. The Keychron Launcher web app provides limitless customization options, ranging from key remapping to dynamic backlight effects. High polling rate. The 1000 Hz polling rate ensures precise and responsive input, making it ideal for gaming. Compact design. The 75% layout retains all essential keys while saving desk space. Dual compatibility. The keyboard is compatible with both Mac OS and Windows, with customized keycaps for both systems. In summary, the Keychron K2 HE is an exemplary keyboard that successfully blends practicality with aesthetics. Whether utilized for professional work or gaming, its magnetic Hall effect switches, extensive customization options, and solid ergonomic design make it an exceptional choice. The multi-device compatibility and robust battery life further solidify its standing as a must-have peripheral for tech enthusiasts. If you're looking for a versatile keyboard that performs exceptionally well in typing and gaming scenarios, the Keychron K2 HE is undoubtedly worth your consideration this year. As always, thank you for checking out our review. Discover more about these fantastic products with the links in the description down below. If you found this video helpful, remember to smash that like button, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. Catch you in the next one.